Managing your online reputation is a key component of online marketing. You can have an effective marketing strategy, but without reputation management, it could all go up in flames. The first step is to see and hear what others are saying about you in the online space, and this should be done on a regular basis. You can set up Google Alerts, which we'll do at the end of this video, to monitor what's being said about you and your brand online. Negative reviews will negatively impact and tarnish your online brand. Take note of the complaints that need to be addressed and address the issues leading to negative public reviews. It's also important to increase and capture the number of positive reviews, which will help offset the negative reviews. Reach out to your happy customers and clients and ask them to leave a review specifically on the site where the negative review was left. As I mentioned earlier, you need to set up Google Alerts for your business. You need to know when people are quoting you, supporting you, or bashing you to your potential customers. And Google Alerts is one of the most versatile and free tools you have to track those things. So start by going to Google and typing in Google Alerts. And click on the first snippet that comes up. So what should you create alerts for? Well, to start with, you want to create them for your business name. And here's a little tip. If you put the business name in quotations, then it will only bring back that exact match. The next thing you're going to do here is click on Show Options and decide how often you want to receive these alerts. The sources, the language, the region, and if you want only the best results or all the results. Once you've done that, you're going to put your email address in here and click Create Alert. And then you're going to do exactly the same thing with your other assets. So I would suggest, for instance, the name of all of your online courses. Again, in quotations. You could also put in your own personal name, as well as anything else that you want to be alerted to that would have something to do with your business, your brand, or your name.